When you go through the wastewater treatment process, liquids are separated from solids. These solids are treated physically and chemically, and then what's available now is ready for land application. These are what's called biosolids.
The thing we know for certain is biosolids are going to be a challenge that are not going to go away as long as there are humans on the planet.
But the driver for everyone is meeting the safety. You have to think about the pathogen loading of the solids that come into the plant. The end product is a semi-solid that, depending on the degree of treatment, are designated either Class A, pathogen-free, chemical-free, or Class B, a little bit of pathogen still there. And so that's always the challenge for a lot of utilities. Do they have the right technology in place to meet their regulatory permit limits?
We've spent about $20+ million doing 100+ projects in the space. The main areas of research that we've done around biosolids starts from contaminants of emerging concern, treatment options for said biosolids, risk assessment of those contaminants in biosolids, as well as energy that can be harvested from these biosolids. The first step is kind of identifying what kind of treatment you need to do. Based on the area you're located in geographically and the regulations you're dealing with, your treatment will vary.
Some of the main treatment methods for solid processing include lime stabilization, activated sludge, anaerobic digestion, and then more advanced, so thermal hydrolysis, treatment intensification as a layer barrier to further remove those pathogens.
Risk assessment is a critical component of biosolids when it comes to land application. People are concerned about the plant uptake of contaminants of emerging concern like PFAS, and now they're focusing on microplastics as well.
Our body of research as the foundation has focused on high quality, low energy risk assessment of the fate, transport, occurrence, disposal, management. So we have a healthy research portfolio in this area.
One of the great opportunities that we can create through research is identifying new ways to manage biosolids beneficially.
There's so much potential if you use biosolids as an energy source. If you actually invest in the right technology and focus on the energy aspect of it, that can actually help your utility as well as help the grid and overall be more climate positive. A lot of utilities, they're already dealing with these issues, and the biggest thing that we can do is to provide this as a resource for them to actually improve their operations as well as utilize biosolids as a revenue generating energy source.
Biosolids will be really important for facing future challenges because we have to think about soil health. So land use would be reliant a lot on how we treat and use and recycle what comes from the land back to the land.
So the role of the Water Research Foundation will be to work with our utility partners and our research partners to make sure that these solids can be managed safely and beneficially to serve the communities.